Hi everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we will show you the testing process of the double eccentric butterfly valve. All of our valves undergo pneumatic sealing tests before leaving the factory. Only after the sealing performance meets our standards are they approved for shipment. This model is a double eccentric butterfly valve specially designed for EPP applications. The opening and closing frequency can be adjusted, making it suitable for high-frequency operating conditions. Compared with similar products on the market, our valve is heavier overall, with a thicker and more robust valve body, providing stronger structural stability and more reliable operation. From a closer look, you can see that the valve seat is made of carbon steel. This material offers good heat dissipation performance, which helps improve durability. The main advantages of our product are reflected in two aspects. First, long service life. Each valve is equipped with an air-water separator, which effectively removes moisture, reduces corrosion, and significantly extends the service life. Second, easy maintenance. The optimized structural design makes future servicing and component replacement faster and more convenient. Please feel free to contact us for more technical details and quotation information. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions. See you in the next video.